Hello and welcome back. My name is Ms. Velez, and this year I'll be your English and history teacher. But before we get started, I wanted to let you know a little bit about me. I grew up in New York, but I've been living here ever since high school. I'm a big reader, which isn't surprising since I'm an English teacher, but I also like to write, and one of these days I'm going to finish the book I'm working on. This is my fourth year at CCS, and I'm excited for this year to begin. All the specifics on what books we're reading and what textbook we're using will be on the syllabus. However, I would like to go over the three main programs we'll be using this year. The first is Edmodo. Here's where all of our assignments will be posted and any discussions that we'll be working on. For those of you who are virtual students, this is primarily where you'll be. All of the assignments and anything else you might need will be posted here. And this is where you'll also upload any work that you complete or any discussions that you take part in. The next program we're using is Remind. Now this one is just for communication. So any announcements or extra information that I need to send out to any classes will go here, as well as any info for 7th grade homeroom as a whole. And the final program we're using is Zoom. Now for our virtual students, this is where you'll be. You'll log in the morning and you'll join us for a live lesson there. We'll also be using Zoom for any important meetings or conferences or after school help class. And so this has been a very brief rundown of how our class is going to go. I just want to say again that I am excited for everything we're going to learn this school year. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in class.